of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the Eurasian Hoopoe. Sometimes pronounced hoopoe, these medium-sized birds have pale orange bodies, black and white wings, a long down-curved beak, and this awesome crest. Hoopoe live in a wide range of habitats, grasslands, forests, even in towns and cities, across much of Europe, Asia, and Africa. They eat insects, spiders, and small invertebrates, and they mostly feed on the ground. They nest in cavities, often in old woodpecker holes. Females secrete a substance onto their eggs and nests that smells like rotting meat. The smell attracts insects for the hoopoe to eat and deters predators. This bird's name comes from its distinct song. Tune in next week for another